Let's get right to it. We're gonna do us a New York strip steak today on the stove top. So we're gonna get some salt, slap your mama, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, parsley, and a half of an onion chopped. All right, so let's get going. Let's get them seasoned all up, Cali style as usual. You know we love those steaks out here in Cali. We love them in the oven and we love them on top of the stove. We love them any way they come. All right, so let's get this seasoned up. You want to make sure hit that steak with seasoning on every angle because it ain't nothing like an unseasoned steak. Oh, except like maybe an unseasoned hamburger, but you know. All right, so you see that garlic powder laying good on there? That's gonna make that steak nice and flavorful, and this isn't gonna take long at all. All right, so in the meantime, what you wanna do is take you a skillet, put you a little bit of oil in there. I used olive oil and a little bit of butter. Let that butter melt and get hot while seasoning. All right, so we wanna turn it over and repeat those same things on the other side. All right, and that's not a lot of salt we're using. A steak needs a certain amount of salt to be able to cut through that meat so that it's flavorful once you get to the middle. All right, so meantime, that grease, that little bitty olive oil is good. You just want to put maybe a small, very, very small amount so it won't stick. And then that butter together, it's going to melt, give it a nice flavor so that when you stick that steak in there, it's ready to go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is put us some butter with this olive oil. I had some in there already, but I thought it might be necessary to add a little bit more. And then we're gonna throw our onion in first. First thing we wanna do is let that onion caramelize so that those flavors are released into this oil. All right, so break that onion up nicely and let it caramelize. And then once it goes for about maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes, depending on how high you have your fire, once you notice it caramelized, then we want to go ahead and add the steak to it. All right, so take a look at mine. Look at them, they're caramelized. So let's go ahead and add the steak. We're gonna sit it right on top of these onions and let it all just cook together. All right. It's got to go about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, depending on how you like your steak. I like mine in between medium well and well done. All right, so see, we're going to flip that steak. Look at that juice. That juice is turning like kind of a brownish color, which tells you that that steak is going to be really, really good. So there it is. So what I like to do at the end is add a little bit of parsley to it. Let it go for a couple more minutes, and then this is when we test it. We take a look at it in the pot, look at if it's where we like it to be. If it's not, you leave it in. If it is, then we go on ahead and remove it. All right, so that steak is done, and look at it. That's the thin New York steak, Cali style, how we do it. All right, so here it comes. There it is. This can go well with a potato, or in the morning, it'll go well with some eggs and some grits. That's your Cali style steak. There it is. New York strip. Try it out. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, did you like my video? I hope you did. If you did, click the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you receive a notification every time we drop a video. We got some really good stuff coming this season, and if you have any suggestions or anything you would like to see us prepare, be sure to leave it in the comment section. Thank you.